Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Today you're going to see a review of the brand new Golden Jubilee aboard the Carnival celebration, plus my top 7 cocktails. Carnival's done a great job outlining this bar with architectural designs from past and present ships in the Carnival fleet. You can expect this area to be crowded nightly, with live music from various artists. This is a great place to sit back, relax, and enjoy a cocktail. The French 75. This is definitely a classic for a reason. With champagne and cognac, this cocktail is very smooth and has an elegant feel. Who doesn't love a good amaretto sour? No worries, the Golden Jubilee definitely has you covered. With Buffalo Trace bourbon, Di Serono, and lemon juice, finished with a cinnamon sugar rim, this classic cocktail is well-rounded and won't disappoint. Now, as our bartender pours in the cognac, lemon juice, and triple sec, the Golden Sidecar as a cocktail at the Golden Jubilee, all of my cognac drinkers will love. This lemon drop aboard the celebration was a perfect adaptation to the world-famous shot. Made with Grey Goose, lemon juice, and a splash of triple sec, this cocktail was refreshing with a touch of sweet. Now, for all of my real cruising cousins, you already know about the Cruiser. Made with rum, vodka, and a variety of juices. Nothing says I'm cruising the Caribbean on vacation better than the Cruiser. Sliding in the number 2 spot is the June Bug. Made with Midori, rum, banana liqueur, pineapple juice, and lime. This is a classic Caribbean cocktail that can be put in the conversation with the Cruiser, Hurricane, and Funship. And my favorite cocktail at the Golden Jubilee was the Smoked Manhattan. The smoky Sazerac whiskey provided the perfect touch to add to this classic. This was the perfect cocktail for sitting at the Golden Jubilee, listening to music while meeting some great people. Overall, this bar has some great flavorful cocktails, and the bartenders make sure to keep you entertained every step of the way. Here at the Golden Jubilee, I rate the cocktails an 8 out of 10. And with historic designs and history from Carnival's past, I'd rate the ambiance and decor 10 out of 10.